guys. Hello guys.
Guys, I have a YouTube channel, Sweater.
Mine is also have one, but mine is in the pocket.
We by the beach and we swim near lake and there's a dog running in the sea, so we're gonna go swim again.
We ate for breakfast egg and sausage on a roll, and it was very lekker.
Guys, I'm really sorry for the voiceover. The wind became very bad for the rest of the day. Guys, we got to Miller's Point now, and actually it's a bit windy, but it's still a beautiful view nonetheless. We are going to prepare our food now. We have our 2 fires going. This fire over here is going to be for our fish and chips. Nice red snapper in crumbs. And then the other fire over this side, we're going to be using for our steak. When you don't have a cutting board, surely you need to improvise. Our steaks are ready, nice and spiced. Our chips are ready. This is how we will be spicing our fish today.
Nope.
You want to make sure that you get the chips as fine as possible so that it sticks well. There's nothing special about this batter. I'm just giving the fish a good wash in the egg. I'm rolling it around in the crumbs here. It's not sticking at all because the crumbs are not as fine as I would like it to be, but it's somewhat working. I'm just going to try and force it as much as possible with my hands before I put it in. Some compound butter on the steak won't be bad. Taste test. Go for it. Nee. I'm gonna lose cold and warm up now. Guys, to me this is a perfect ending to a dad and lad's day out. It doesn't take much for your children to be happy in the outdoors, for them to feel free in nature. It doesn't cost you much. Just get out there with them.